To remove and install the battery on your Ranger 570, follow these steps. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat, level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park. Turn the key switch to the off position and remove the key. Pull up on the rear of the seat. Remove it and set aside. Remove the 2 push rivets and lift the storage box to remove. Remove the black negative battery cable fastener. Set the cable aside. Caution: the negative battery cable must be removed first to prevent arcing. Then remove the red positive battery cable fastener. Set the cable aside. Tip: reinstall the cable fasteners into the battery posts to prevent misplacement. Remove the 2 battery bracket fasteners and remove the bracket. If equipped, remove the vent tube and slide the battery and bracket rearward. Lift the bracket and battery out of the vehicle. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged. Caution: using a new battery that has not been fully charged can damage the battery, hinder vehicle performance, and result in a shorter life. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of the owner's manual before installing the battery. Ensure the battery is clean and free of debris. Refer to the battery maintenance video on the Help Center website for proper cleaning and maintenance techniques. Reinstall the battery and vent tube if equipped. Install the battery bracket and torque until fully seated. Install the positive cable first to prevent arcing and tighten until fully seated. Install the red protective boot. Install the negative cable and tighten until fully seated. Coat the battery terminals with dielectric grease or petroleum jelly. Turn the key on to verify the battery has been connected properly. Tip: when the battery is disconnected, the vehicle's clock may need to be reset. Reinstall the storage bin and 2 push rivets. Reinstall the seat, ensuring the tabs are aligned. Push down firmly on the rear of the seat until the pins are fully seated into the grommets. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.